We're here today on Sunday, the final day of the 2024 World Cup here in Kissimmee, Florida. I'm here with Dave Rotunda, one of Planet Eclipse techs. Dave, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, bud.
Fantastic. What are you working on over here?
I'm working on a man's CS3. He's got a mech frame on it. It's got a little problem with sputtering.
Oh, okay.
So we're figuring that out.
All right. Now, Dave, how have you been enjoying yourself here this week?
It's been amazing. We've had a great time. We've worked really hard, but we got a good crew, and we're having a good time.
That's incredible. Dave, I got a question for you. You spend a lot of time traveling to all of the NXL events with this group of people. What city is your favorite that you went to this year?
The kid's kind of repetitive, but Chicago was good. We had a good time. Sadly, you weren't there, but...
What'd you do in Chicago? Without me, your kid. You abandoned me.
We did. We went to the zoo. We fixed paintball guns. We went to the museum, and we fixed more paintball guns.
Nice.
So it was good.
Yeah, that's always a good time. All right, Dave. Well, thank you so much for answering our questions.
Thank you.
That's all I had.